This is Parashat Chukat. This is Shur on Parashat Chukat. It's interesting. Torah in Parashat Chukat talks about Paraduma. Paraduma is a red cow that everybody knows about it. That they burn it, and that becomes purifies the people that become tameh, become contaminated through corpse or dead bodies. Through this, they become tahor. It's a purification for them. Now, Torah says Chukat. Now, Rashi says why that's called chok. Chok means decree. Means something that HaKadosh Baruch Hu decreed. And there's no reason for it. Rashi says, because Satan and Motolam, the Goyim, they're going to complain and they're going to bother Israel with that. Ma mitzvah hazot, what is this mitzvah that you are doing? Ma ta'am yeshba, what ta'am yeshba? Therefore, Torah says, what's the reason for it? Torah says, kataba chukah. Now, what's so strange about this mitzvah is it purifies those who are contaminated. And it contaminates those that are involved with it. How could that be? How could the same thing be a source of purification and to be a source of contamination? How is it possible? Now, by the way, the Midrash says, HaKadosh Baruch Hu said, you're going to show your love to me. Ahal Israel say, how are we going to show our love to you? Hashem says, with keeping chukot. These decrees that I'm commanding you, that there is no reason for it. It's very hard to understand. When you keep them, that shows your love to me. Now, Mefarshim say, what's going on? What HaKadosh Baruch Hu is saying? What's dialogue? See, they tell us something very important in the depth of the psychology of a person. See, a person justifies whatever that he does. There are reasons for it. Now, Shlomo Melech said, I became Chacham, wise, and this mitzvah is rechok mimeni. It's very far away from me. I can't understand the reason of this mitzvah. Now, Mefarshim say, what Shlomo Melech is saying? What's the point that pointing out? That I became very wise, but this mitzvah is very far away. I can't understand the reason of this mitzvah. Now, see, whenever that we do things, and there is a reason for it. Now, there is a philosophical question on the table. Why are we doing it? Are we doing it for the reason, or really we are doing it because we are submitting ourselves to the one who commands? It's a very interesting question, and that penetrates the very inner part of a person. Why am I doing that? Maybe I'm doing it, I'm interested only in the reasons of it. I'm not interested in the one who commands. I'm not interested to make relationship with the one who orders. I see that's good, it's beneficiary for me. That's why I'm doing it. Now, HaKadosh Baruch Hu said, the greatest test to find out whether you love me or not is chukim. Because these chukim don't have any reason. The only reason that you're going to do is to show your love to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. You love Him. You submit yourself to Him. You feel that you got so much blessings from Him that you don't care for the reason. The fact that He commanded you, you would like to do it. You love to do it. That shows love. That shows dedication. That shows that the person really wants to do something to satisfy HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Now, in the same token, it's true in any type of relationship. When a wife sees a husband that doesn't believe in this matter, it's not reasonable for him, but he goes against his nature, and he does it, that's the greatest gift to wife. Wife feels much different. When a child sees that the father goes out of his way, it's not reasonable for him. But since you love and you like, he went ahead and did it against his will, against his understanding, against his philosophy. He did it just to make you happy. That creates love. That creates relationship. Unbelievable. Torah says, chukot. There is no reason for it. when you think deeply, the fact that there is no reason, that is the reason. That is the reason. To find out yourself, to realize yourself, to understand where are you. Person could live on earth for a lifetime, 120 years. And is God, is only reasoning. Is God, is only the reasons and benefits that he gets. He's not really submitting himself to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Through Chukim is a very good test. There is no reason there. There is no logic. The only reason, the only way that this person is motivated to do, because you feel you want to submit. You feel you love the person. You live. That's why you are doing it. Therefore, not having the reason for Chukim, that is the greatest reason. Through that, you find out yourself. And that's true for all of the relationships. Wife, children. The greatest gift that you could give to your wife in your lifetime is do something that she likes it, she loves it. You don't understand. You always wonder what is the reason. But you do it because you love her. Do something for your son, for your children, something that you don't understand. It's not logical to you, but you go against your own understanding and you do it for them to show your love. That's the greatest gift that a person could give to his dear ones.